A very pleasant and cheerful good morning to my dear students. Children, today we are going to revise chapter number 5, Panchayati Raj System. So children, today with the help of the flow chart, I will be showing you the flow chart. So with the help of that, we will be discussing this chapter in short, and then I will be discussing all the book exercises questions, all objectives questions, then short answers, then as well as long answers. And children, all the notes related to this chapter I will be sharing in school app. So children, please see your school app, okay? And from there you can complete your work. Okay, so all these children flow chart you have to write on white page on left hand side, and children write sum up also, and you will give the heading to it, important points to remember. So after flow chart you write down sum up, and then after that you will write MCQ which is given in your book. Okay, so MCQ you will complete in your book also as well as in your fair notebook also. Then after that, all short answers and all long answers. So children, please complete your work. Don't keep any pending work. And children, please make sure that your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay? And please see that there should be no spelling errors. Try to avoid spelling mistakes. Is that clear, children? And please color that flowchart also. Your presentation should be very good. Is that clear? So children, come on, everyone, be ready. Come on, open your book. Come on, chapter number 5, Panchayati Raj System. So children, just wait. I'm sharing the screen. Then we will discuss this chapter in short with the help of flowchart. Then I will be discussing all the objective question as well as all the book exercises. Yes. So children, can you see this flowchart? See how beautifully I have presented. So in the same way, children, you also have to prepare it. See, our chapter name is Panchayati Raj System. Okay. And Panchayati Raj System, that means it works for the rural areas. So there is a local self-government which works for the development of rural areas, right? See now how is the structure of the Panchayati Raj, right? So it is divided into three part, mostly village level, block level, district level. And how after that, how the state government and there is a connection between Panchayati Raj, right? So how the state government and Panchayati Raj, they are connected with each other. Is that clear? How the state government helps the local self government. Understood? So under village level, children, what we have studied, that Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, its composition, function, source of income, and Nyaya Panchayat. Right? Yes or no? And children, Panchayati Raj is a three-tier system. It works at three levels. Right? Gram Panchayat, it works at village level. Then Block Samiti, it works at block level. And Zilla Parishad, it works at district level. Is that clear? So village level, block level, and district level. Right? These are the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj. Right? Then now what is village level, children? Yes, you know, so under village level, children, it's village level, it consists of Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyaya Panchayat, right? So it is the village level is divided into three parts: Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyaya Panchayat. Understood? Now in Gram Sabha we have discussed that it consists of men and women, right, who has completed his 18 years of age, right, and they meet at least twice a year, and the members of the Gram Sabha, children, they elect the representative to the Gram Panchayat, right. Even the Gram Sabha, children, it plays an important role. He has the power to review the work done by the Panchayati Raj. Okay, that means the Gram Panchayat. Understood? Then Gram Panchayat children, and under Gram Panchayat we have studied its compositions, its functions, right? So under composition we have seen that they are elected for term of 5 years, right? And in that we have seen some seats are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBCs, and even one thirds of seats are reserved for women also. That means even they were also given equal opportunity in the society, right? Then who is the head of the Gram Panchayat children? The Pradhan, or you can say Sarpanch also. So he was the head, right? And the Gram Panchayat, they also elect a deputy chairperson, right? So in the absence of Pradhan or Sarpanch, who used to work the deputy chairperson, right? Now, what is his function, children? That the Gram Panchayat is responsible, children, for implementing the community development program, right, at a village level. So, some functions are there to collect taxes, right? For example, toll tax, fees, okay. Then to maintain water source, village tanks, pumps, street lighting. So, these are the functions. Then development of agriculture, primary education, health, and sanitation, right? So etc. So there are many more functions, even some extra in functions also I have explained you, right, in our previous class when I have discussed this Gram Panchayat, right? And I have asked you to note down also. I think you have remember. Now next, after that we have studied source of income. So where the Gram Panchayat receives income, from where it receives income from various sources. So it receives income children from the various sources, right? Such as from taxes on house, then shop, fares, registration fees, purchase and sales of cattle, then sale of public property, and even the grant, okay, from the state government. So the money spent on the welfare, and this money is spent on the welfare of the villages, right? Then we have seen the Nyaya Panchayat, right, who gives justice, but it is like a local court, right? And its purpose, children, mostly it settle minor disputes, okay, जो छोटे मोटे केसेस होते हैं उसी को वो ये न्याय लोगों को, जस्टिस लोगों को प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ओके. बट दे डोंट हैव द पावर to send anyone to jail. Understood? Only what we have seen, that only they can impose a fine. Understood? They cannot send a person to jail. And the process of this justice, children, it was very simple and inexpensive. Understood? And there is one only न्याय पंचायत for 4 to 5 villages. 4-5 गांव को मिलाकर फिर एक न्याय पंचायत होती थी. हर एक गांव में अलग अलग न्याय पंचायत नहीं रखी, 5-6 गांव को मिलाकर फिर उनकी एक न्याय पंचायत होती थी. Is that clear? Then now next we will discuss the block level. Understood? Now we have seen, children, the block samiti is given different names, right? In different state it is given different name. So in Anchalik Parishad in Western Bengal, Kshetra Samiti in Uttar Pradesh, Mandal Panchayat in Karnataka, right? So these were the names given to block level. So it is also called as Panchayat Samiti also, right? And its function in all the state are more or less same, children, okay. And it is essential link between the Gram Panchayat and the Zilla Parishad. Understood? Clear now? Block. Then its composition, children, same. The member of block samiti are also elected, right? And children, in this, who used to play the important role? The chairperson, right? Right. And he is also known as the block pramukh. And these members are also elected for 5 years. Understood? And some seats are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and some seats are reserved for women also. So one third of seats are reserved for women. Understood? And in an absence of this block pramukh, this chairman who used to handle children everything, the vice chairperson, right? So he is also appointed, right? And then one government employee also was there, right? What was he was called, children, the block development officer, right? The BDO unko bulaya jata tha, right? So he is a government employee, right? He's appointed to the state government, okay, for the implementation of the development plan which was prepared by this block committee. Understood? So the block pramukh, that means the chairman, and the block development officer, they play important role in the success of the development programs in a block. Understood now its functions? So children, the block sabiti, they make plans for the development of whole block. Understood? So one important person again was employed through state government, that was extension officer. He used to give the advice in in various fields such as veterinary, okay, medicine, that, okay. Then what is veterinary, children? I have told you that animals, okay, for animals the medicine which is given. Then healthcare facilities they used to provide it, they used to give advice. Then education, rural industries, okay. And then which types of seeds, okay, better quality of seeds you should use, okay. Then they also tell in animal husbandry tells us about better breeds of cattle, okay, how the upbringing should be. So every all the information. Then educational experts were also there. So this and employed, okay, means that means one person was appointed who was known as extension officer, right? Then we have discussed about the source of income. So same in block samiti also, from where they used to receive the income, okay. So they children mostly they used to receive income from the taxes of houses, land, and cattle, then income from lease of samiti land, organizing fairs, then grant and assistance from the state government, right? Then we have discussed the district level, right? And even in block samiti also, the state government used to help, right? The block samiti, okay. So the samiti, they largely depends upon the government grants and loans for its finance. Is that clear? Now we will discuss about the district level. Okay. So Zilla Parishad, it works at district level. Now its composition, children, the Zilla Parishad, it is the highest body. Okay, that means it is the apex body of the Panchayati Raj system. Okay. So some important officers were also appointed, okay. For example, district collector, superintendent of police, district judge. So the Zilla Parishad is responsible for the development of rural areas of the whole districts, क्योंकि पूरे विलेज लेवल, पूरा ग्राम पंचायत, ब्लॉक समिति को मिलाकर क्या कहा जाता है? डिस्ट्रिक्ट, राइट? So Zilla Parishad children, they are mainly responsible for the development of rural areas of the whole districts. Understood? Then its composition, right? So Zilla Parishad is also an elected body, right? So chairperson or block pramukh of block samiti are also presented in Zilla Parishad, and some members were also appointed here also, and some seats are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and even for women also. Same as we have studied in at village level and block level. Same in this also, some seats are reserved, and the members they elect a president here. Understood? And a vice president. And vice president, in the absence of president who used to perform the functions, the role, the vice president. Understood? And they were elected from among themselves. Understood? Among the members of the Zilla Parishad only the president and vice president was elected. Is that clear? Now the functions also. The Zilla Parishad, they give advice and help and support to Gram Panchayat and Block Samiti, right? It informs the state government about the work being done by these two bodies. So the Zilla Parishad also supervises the implementation of projects they used to undertake the 5 year plans, right? And it also monitors agriculture production and various development works taken up under the community development program of the districts. Then sources of income. The Zilla Parishad also collect fund, children, levying taxes on water, pilgrimage tax, then market. Okay, so these were the different sources of income. Understood? And it also raised money from renting out shops, houses that it owns. And largely children, the district level also depends upon the grant and received which he receives from the state government. Okay, क्योंकि district के ऊपर कौन होता था? State government, right? So they used to take the help from the state government for the development of village level, block level. Understood? क्योंकि ये सबको मिलाकर ही children क्या form होता है? Children, the district. Okay, जैसे ये पूरे को मिला दिया जाता है, right? Means जो जिला परिषद जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे है, इनको पूरे के बारे में, पूरे रूरल एरियाज के डेवलपमेंट के बारे में इनको सोचना है. अंडरस्टूड? देन वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड द पंचायती राज, right? So even children, the state government, the constitution of India direct the central and the state government to set up panchayati raj system. The state government, children, is expected to follow the directives and work success of the panchayati raj. And the state government, children, it provides a grant for the panchayati raj system in a state. Okay, so children, is that clear? Okay, now children, we will discuss all the book exercises questions. See, now the MCQ first we will discuss. The representative of the block samiti of the district and the other members who work at district level make up the what? Yes, children, Panchayati Raj, Zilla Parishad, Gram Panchayat or state. What will be the answer, children? See, the representative, first read the question. Representative of the block samiti of the district and the other members who work at district level make up what? They make up Zilla Parishad. Then second question, out of total number of seats, this person out of total number of seats, this percentage is reserved for women. So how much percentage of seats is reserved for women, children? At village level also we have seen. Then at district level also we have seen. At block level, so how much percentage of seats is reserved? Two-third, half, three-fourth, or one-third. Okay, many times in all the composition of in everyone we have discussed one-third, right? So your correct answer will be one-third. Now Gram Panchayat is headed by the dash. So who is the important officer who used to see the daily working of the Samiti, children? Yes, of the Panchayat, who used to see? Yeah, come on, tell me. The Pradhan. In Gram Panchayat, the Pradhan or Sarpanch, right? He used to play an important role, right? The Nyay Panchayat can only impose what? What it can impose, children? He can give punishment? No, he can, okay, he gives justice. Okay, Nyaya only means just to give justice. Then none of these, or fines. So your answer will be fine. He can impose fine, but he cannot send anyone to jail. Then important link between Gram Panchayat and Zilla Parishad is the dash. So children, who is the important link between Gram Panchayat and Zilla Parishad? The block samiti. Understood? So it is an important link between the Gram Panchayat and Zilla Parishad. Understood? So your answer will be D, that is block samiti. Is that clear? Now MCQs is clear. Now we will discuss all short answers. Now children, what is Panchayati Raj? What does it aim at? Okay, so children, what will be your answer? That Panchayati Raj system, children, it is a system of self-government, right, in rural areas. Then it aims at improving rural development also, right, by involving the rural people, right, rural communities. Then only the rural development can be possible. And it also strengthen the foundation of Indian democracy, right? Then during which period the institution of पंचायत डिक्लाइन, चिल्ड्रन वाई? ओके, कौन से पीरियड में ये जो पंचायती राज सिस्टम जो था वो डिक्लाइन होना स्टार्ट हो गया था, चिल्ड्रन? इट वाज ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल, राइट? द इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ पंचायत डिक्लाइन ड्यूरिंग द ब्रिटिश रूल बिकॉज, चिल्ड्रन, द ब्रिटिश रूल्ड ओवर कंट्री एंड दे अपॉइंटेड देयर ओन ऑफिशियल्स. उन्होंने अपने खुद के ऑफिशियल्स को अपॉइंट किया था to look out the affairs of the peoples, and consequently, children, the institution of panchayat declined, right? So during the British rule, children, the panchayati raj system was declined. Understood? Because what was the reason? Because the Britishers, they appointed their own officers, right, their own officials to look after the affairs of the people. Now next question, who is the head of the gram panchayat? So children, who is the head? Now only we have discussed, right? The Pradhan or Sarpanch, right? He is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Now what he or she is responsible for? So children, he or she is responsible for organizing and coordinating the meetings, right? The and activities of the panchayat. Understood? So simple term you will write the pradhan or sarpanch. He is the head of the gram panchayat. And second you will write he or she is responsible for organizing and conducting or coordinating the meeting and activities of the panchayat. Now next question, what does the block samiti work as? What is it called in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka? Hmm? So block work samiti children, it work as an important link between the between the gram panchayat and the zilla parishad, right? So it plays an important link between the gram panchayat and the zilla parishad. See in MCQ fifth one is also it is given, right? And then it is called Anchalik Parishad in West Bengal, right? Then children in different states, different names are given. Yes, then in Kshetra Samiti in Uttar Pradesh, then Mandal Panchayat in Karnataka, right? So all these names are given to Block Samiti only, but their names are different in different states. But they are one only. That means they are the Block Samiti, names of the Block Samiti only. Understood? Then why is the Panchayati Raj system very important in a country like ours, children? Now, in India, children, people live in different regions and have their different needs, right? हर एक different different regions में रहते हैं, उनकी needs भी अलग होती है. So, पंचायती राज और local self government helps to deal with the problems related to development and brings about a social change more effectively because the peoples of the rural people they can understand their problems very well, right? Because the government children we know for the smooth functioning, so that is why our government is divided at central level, state level and local level, right? So under local level only we have studied about panchayati raj system, right? So this is also a one type of government which is functioning, which is working for the rural people, for the development of the rural people. Okay, now we will discuss long answers. Now write short note on structure of panchayati raj. So children, you can write simple terms what you have understood from this, that Panchayati Raj, it works at three levels. So it is a three-tier system, right? Gram Panchayat is at village level. So a group of villages children they come together to form a block. Then block Samiti children it looks after the development of block. Then Zilla Parishad it is the highest body of the district level and it looks after the whole district. जो पूरी districts है children, right? इसमें ग्राम पंचायत पूरी ब्लॉक समिति आ जाती है, right? सो वो पूरा जो रूरल एरियाज है पूरे उनका पूरा डेवलपमेंट के लिए हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल दिस जिला परिषद, दैट इज व्हाई ही इज कॉल्ड द हाईएस्ट बॉडी, द एपेक्स बॉडी ऑफ द पंचायती राज सिस्टम. Understood? Now see next question, write five rules which became effective from 1993 regarding the panchayati raj system, right? So children see in your book it is given right on page number 208. So the five rules, so children you can write any 5 points, so but you have to write 5 points. For example children, it must be a three-tier system. Understood? The village level, the intermediate level, or you can say block level, and the district level. Then there should be a direct election for all the seats in the panchayat. Then one third of total number of seats are reserved for women also. So this point is same in all. And then some seats are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. This is also same. But according to the population, looking to the population, these seats are reserved. Understood? And then all the panchayat. What is the tenure? What is the term of this? They were elected for, the members are elected for how many years? For 5 years, right? Then to become the member of panchayat, they should not be less than 21 years of age, right? अगर उनको member बनना है पंचायत का तो क्या age की जरूरत है? 21 years of age. Understood? So any 5 points children, okay, you can write, okay, under the five rules. Next question, what is Nyaya Panchayat? What is its function, children? So Nyaya Panchayat children, it is like a local court, right? So there is only one न्याय पंचायत for 4 to 5 villages. 4 5 गांव को मिलाकर उनकी एक न्याय पंचायत होती है. देन इट्स उनके फंक्शंस क्या है चिल्ड्रन कि जो छोटे मोटे केसेस होते हैं जैसे किसी ने लड़ाई झगड़ा कर लिया, ओके, ये सारी चीजें, किसी ने किसी को मार दिया, ओके, जो छोटे मोटे केसेस होते हैं, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स गांव में हो रही है, तो वो सारे के केसेस जो है वो ये हैंडल कर सकती है. अंडरस्टूड. As so it provides swift justice and it can impose fine but not send anyone jail. Okay, so fine impose कर सकती है but किसी को जेल में नहीं भेज सकती. Understood. तो ये काम होता है न्याय पंचायत का कि वो जो छोटे मोटे केसेस में ही वो फैसला सुना सकती है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ हु इज ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर चिल्ड्रन, दैट इज बीडीओ. व्हाट इज और उनकी इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर चिल्ड्रन इज द पर्सन हु इम्प्लीमेंट द डेवलपमेंट प्लान. राइट, जो भी डेवलपमेंट प्लान जो भी ब्लॉक समिति ने प्रिपेयर किया है उनको इम्प्लीमेंट, उनको लागू करने का काम किसका होता है. ब्लॉक डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर का होता है जिसको हम लोग बीडीओ बोलते हैं. राइट, उनका ये काम होता है. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ he or she is responsible for the success of the development programs. Understood. जो भी development programs हो रहे हैं वो अच्छी तरीके से पूरे सक्सेसफुल हो रहे हैं कि नहीं हो रहे हैं. ओके, सारी चीजें इम्प्लीमेंट की जा रही है कि नहीं की जा रही है, वो सारा लुकआउट कौन करेगा, देखेगा कौन, बीडीओ. अंडरस्टूड. And children, see the last question. What role does the state government play in Panchayati Raj? That question is omitted, but then also we will discuss. Is that clear? So, children, the state government it oversees the functioning of the Panchayati Raj system. कि Panchayati Raj system जो अपना काम है वो किस तरीके से कर रही है. And it formulate rules and regulation. Right? वो rules regulations बनाती है. And provide financial grant और वो फाइनेंशियली मदद करती है. अंडरस्टूड. जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट होती है टू द लोकल बॉडीज, जितने भी लोकल बॉडीज हमने पढ़ा है चिल्ड्रन, लोकल लेवल पे जो विलेज लेवल हुआ, ब्लॉक लेवल हुआ, ओके, जिला परिषद, ये सभी को वो मदद करती है. कौन, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. अंडरस्टूड. So thus the state governments try to strengthen the democracy through the local self-governing bodies. So children, I hope now this chapter is clear to all of you. Just wait children. Yeah, don't go anywhere. Be focused. Yes. So children, have you understood now? All the content is clear to all of you. I hope now each and every topic, all the content is clear. So children, please before you start writing work, first read the whole chapter carefully. And if you want children, with pencil you underline the important lines given in your book. Okay, so it will become easy for you to learn. And then children, start writing your classwork, all the work, okay, in your fan notebook. Is that clear to all of you? Goodbye children, and please check your school app. Over there you will get all the notes related to this chapter. Goodbye. Take care.